In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can set up a discount code for your Wix website or store. Now, what you want to do, first of all, once you are on the Wix dashboard right here, is go to the left-hand side, scroll down to marketing, go down to discounts, and then click on coupons. Now, once you do this, you will then be brought over to your coupons dashboard where you can now click on new coupon in the top right hand corner. Now, what you want to do is you want to choose the categories. So you've got a value amount discount, you've got a percentage amount discount, you've got free shipping, sale price, and also a buy one, get one free offer, for example. Now, what you can do once you have chosen the one that you want. So for example, let's just say that we want to give them a percentage discount. Now you can click on percentage. You will then be able to enter in the code. So I will put in tutorial. Once you do this, you can then give the coupon a name and then you can go down to discount. And let's just say we want to give them a 10% discount. You'll put 10 in this box right here. Now, if you click on apply to, you've got the option between all products, specific categories, and also a minimum order total. So if we want a customer to spend, let's say £50 before they are eligible to enter in this specific coupon, you want to click on minimum order total and then you want to put in 50 into this box. That means whenever a customer spends £50, they will then be able to enter in the 10% discount code, which is tutorial. If they don't get to this threshold, they won't be able to use this. Now you can go down and click on include subscriptions. So this means if you've got a subscription model, they will then get 10% discount on the first purchase and also any recurring purchases after the first one. And you also can go down as well and set the date. So as you can see, it is 20th of April right now. If we leave it on the 20th of April, the discount code will be active right away. But if you go ahead and select the 25th of April, for example, that will then be scheduled for that specific date. So what we will do is we will leave it on for today, and then you can go down and you can select don't set an end date, which will mean that this coupon will be active until you go ahead and turn this off manually. If not, you can uncheck this box and you can choose an end date right here. And then you can go down and you can select limit the number of users for this coupon. If you select this, you can then enter in, for example, 10 users before the coupon code is invalid. And you can also limit this to 1 use per customer. Once you have entered in all of this different information right here and you are happy, you can select create coupon. Once you do this, you will now see all of your active coupons on your coupons dashboard list right here. As you can see, 10% off on orders over £50. This is a percentage discount. The code is tutorial. There has been 0 users at the moment and the current status of this coupon and this discount code is active. If you want to go ahead and turn this off, you can click on this, select edit, and then you can also go ahead and change the different settings if you like. Now you can go ahead and also delete this completely by selecting delete, or you can just deactivate this if you want to leave it right here. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can set up a discount code on your Wix website and Wix store.